Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing this very small order from Kodi Professional. Kodi Professional is a website that I discovered a few months ago, and I have been ordering nonstop. I feel like I order something every month, and it has been a true gem because their prices are unbeatable and they have so many items, so many really good brands, and their prices, like I said, they are very good compared to competitors. This is a Stalex Pro disposable files that I have been liking and I keep ordering. This time I ordered the 180 grit and the 100, and I like it because it's disposable, it's very easy to use, and they're actually very strong. Even the 180, I find it to be strong. I try to not use this on natural nails. Like if I'm prepping natural nails, I don't use these. Sometimes I do use if they're really thick nails, then I do go ahead and use the 180 grit. But you guys will see me showing you an order that I made of different files, and they're softer. I will show you next. But anyway, this what is this? A long nails. Okay, so this is a builder up or build me up long nails from Kodi Professional, and I'm telling you guys, I have been really liking this product. This is the second bottle that I go through. I still have a little bit left of the very first bottle that I ordered, and I just wanted to have an extra one just in case if I run out of the first one. And I'm telling you, that builder gel is very strong. 100% recommended if you're looking for a clear builder gel in a bottle. This is a confetti, they call it confetti polish. I never ordered this, but I got it. I'm not sure if they gave it to me as a gift or they just made a mistake, but anyways, I'm grateful. Now this is a top coat that they're starting to sell. They just came out not too long ago with color, and I'm really enjoying and really liking this. As you can see, I did my nails recently, and I used it, and I want to tell you guys that I only used a Biab from the gel bottle and this. So the Biab, it's the clear one, and I used that top coat, which I really loved. It wasn't much work at all. Now this is a top coat that I ordered. This is the second time that I ordered this product, and I'm really enjoying these Kodi Professional products lately. They're very good in quality and they never fail, and also the prices are very affordable. For the quality, I find it's amazing. And this is actually a little bit thinner than the gel bottle top coat, extreme shine top coat that I normally use. I use both of them. Now this is a oil Oni-Stop from Nails of the Day, and this is for onycholysis, which is a condition that people can have on their toenails when there's detachment of the nail plate from the nail bed. And I ordered this product for 2 of my colleagues, and that one was for my client. I made another order for 2 of my colleagues. This specific one was for my client, and we will see how it works out. I'll let you guys know. She just started using it, but this brand has a lot of items for conditions for toenails. Now this is a really tiny gel polish from the brand Galore. I believe that's how you pronounce it. They give you this as a gift every time you make a purchase. I believe it has to be a minimum quantity purchase for you to receive this. But since I remember every single time that I've ordered from their website, I have received one, and sometimes it is the same color. And last but not least, this is a pack of nail files for natural nails from the brand Comilfo, and it comes with 50 pieces for $6.25, which I find it's a really good deal. What I do is I use these files for natural nails prep, and depending if the nails that I'm dealing with, if they're not too thick or too hard, if they're flexible, then I use this. But most of the time I find myself using this, and what I do is at the end of the service, if they're really good still, I offer it to the client. If the client wants to take it home, sometimes they take it home, sometimes they're like, oh no, I have too many already. But this is how I use these, and sometimes I use the other ones that I showed you at the beginning of the video. It really depends on the type of nails that I will be working with at the time. I wanted to show you how the confetti glitter polish swatches, in case if any of you are interested in buying it. And you guys will see me using the natural top from Kodi Professional on top of this, and I thought it just looks really pretty, and it's something different. By the way, I will be leaving the website of Kodi Professional down on the description box below. One thing that I forgot to mention is that this top coat right here and the other one that I purchased, the clear one, they're both non-wipe top coats, and they have a beautiful glossy finish, and it actually lasts a long time, the glossy finish, and I'm really enjoying these. Now the natural top coats from Kodi Professional, they do have other tones. They have different kinds of tones and finish. Well, they're all glossy finish, but the tones, the colors are all different. They have about 6, if I'm not mistaken. They're all really pretty. Now guys, we have reached the end of the video. I really thank you for watching and tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. It would mean so much to me, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you.